Hi guys, so I'm going to be unboxing a KFC fully loaded box meal, and this is cost around £7 or thereabouts. So I've opened up the box and it comes with fries. One side, I'll show you the different options later, one piece of chicken and a fillet burger. This is the fillet burger, what it looks like. And you also get one piece of chicken. You can choose which part of the chicken you like. I've got a leg in this case. And then you also get a choice of one side. This is baked beans, or you could have corn on the cob, or you could have coleslaw, and now they're even doing rice, to my surprise. Next, I'll show you what all of it looks like together on the plate at once.